Tender morsels of brown chicken stewed in an onion, tomato, and ginger sauce, flavored with fragrant spices. So simple, you'll make it again and again. It's easy chicken curry. Of course, I'm going to show you how easy this recipe is to make, but I just have to say it is so delicious, we expect you'll be adding it into your weekly meal rotation. Now, we're going to start by doing a little bit of browning. We're going to then saute. How about we spice things up, then we simmer? That's it. Well, let me show you how to make it. Prep on this stellar recipe could not be easier. Thinly slice up 1 yellow onion. We're gonna peel and finely dice 6 garlic cloves. We're gonna peel and grate a 2-inch knob of ginger, and then we're gonna open a big can of tomatoes. About those tomatoes, I like chunky tomato bits in my curries, but if you like a smoother curry, just use a large can of pureed tomato instead. Now let's talk about step 2 in this recipe. We're gonna do a little spice mix. Into a small bowl, we're adding 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then grab 4 whole cardamom pods. Place it onto your work surface. I use a rock to crush them up. Add them into the bowl and then stir your spice mix together. We also want you to have 4 bay leaves and 2 cinnamon sticks at the ready. And the last thing before we head to stovetop to cook up our easy curry chicken, the chicken itself. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We have a sharp knife. We're gonna cut the chicken into 1 to 1.5 inch cubes. If you have any little fatty bits, just trim them away and discard. Now to stovetop, let's go. Temperature to moderate high. We're using a deep skillet for the recipe. We're adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When it melts and gets hot, we're gonna add the chicken. We're gonna cook it for a bit, stir it about. Soon as all that pink is gone, we're gonna grab a slotted spoon. We're gonna move the chicken to a side plate or bowl just for a minute. All of our chicken cooking is done. Now we're gonna discard any liquid from the skillet, give the skillet a wipe, and then return it to stovetop. It'll get hot again pretty quick. Now we drop 2 tablespoons of butter into the pan. We're gonna add the onions, stir them about. We're gonna cook them for about 2 minutes to soften. Then we're gonna add the garlic, add the ginger, stir everything together, cover, and cook for 2 minutes more. Now we spice it up. Sprinkle the spice mix into the pan, stir everything together. Yup, cover goes back on. We're gonna cook for 2 minutes more. Your kitchen is gonna be fragrantly spicy right about now, and so we continue. Now we add the tomatoes. As soon as they come to temperature, add the chicken and any juices in the bowl into the pot. We're gonna stir everything in, then drop in the bay leaves and the cinnamon sticks, push them down into the curry. We're gonna cover, reduce to simmer, and cook for 20 minutes. We suggest serving this curry with basmati rice. You can make some now. Adding together the prep and cook times for this recipe, a complete meal ready in 45 minutes, it is perfect for your weeknight meal plans. Now, finishing touches on this dish, let's take that lid off. Final flavor enhancement from 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and if you like a creamy curry, add half a cup of yogurt, stir both in, and you're ready to serve with steamed rice. Be generous into bowls or plates. You can garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro. The full recipe for this easy chicken curry is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when an easy chicken curry looks this easy, take a picture of it. Post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Easy curry chicken. Seriously, what's not to love when easy is this delicious? Sure is. Oh my God.